You're watching CKWS News at Noon on Global Kingston.
Good to see you on this Wednesday afternoon. We dealt with some rain overnight, depending on where you are, 15 to 20 millimeters worth in some parts of the region. Thunder shower activity. We do see some sunshine in the afternoon, though. We'll climb to 23 degrees. Average high this time of year is around 21. It'll feel a little warmer than that once you factor in the humidex value, slipping to 19 degrees late evening. There's that system, and there goes that system. We start the day with some sunshine for tomorrow, and then more rain is in the forecast. Not nearly as much tomorrow as we saw earlier in the day, and then some sunshine to end the week. Belleville, good afternoon to you. 24 degrees for your expected high today. Still dealing with the risk of thunder showers and then some eventual sunshine, but a total accumulation up to 20 millimeters worth. Windy conditions as well, gusts around 40 kilometers per hour. Thursday and Friday, 22 degrees. Humidity is still building, and so it's going to feel a lot warmer than 22. A chance of a light rain for Thursday, and that'll be later in the day, so the day starts off with some sunshine. And then for Brockville, 22 degrees today. You'll be seeing 15 to 20 millimeters of rain as well. Windy conditions for you, getting to 22. 23 tomorrow, a humidex value of it feeling like 26. Enjoy a mix of sun and clouds. And sunny periods for Friday, however, dropping to below average at this point, looking like a high of 19 degrees. Smiths Falls, much the same here. 24 degrees, 20 millimeters of rain with some wind. 22 tomorrow, 19 on Friday. Here's how Kingston's next 5 days are looking. We'll get to 23 degrees both today and tomorrow, and 15 millimeters of rain total accumulation for us. And we do salvage some sunshine before the sun eventually sets today. And then tomorrow we begin the day with some sunshine and then a light rain later in the day. Feeling a lot warmer than that 23 due to the humidex value. 21 for Friday. That is the average high for this time of year, so really nothing ordinary there. Enjoy some sunshine both Friday and Saturday as we climb to 23 degrees. And for Sunday, a little bit of a light rain, climbing to 24, well above average.
Yes, the chance of showers still with us. It cleared up nicely late this afternoon, but does look as if that chance of showers, risk of thunderstorms, could be with us again through the overnight. We're hoping to get that active weather out of the way in time for the weekend, but it's not to say the chance of showers won't creep in after or near the end of your weekend. The first half's looking pretty good. Highs across the region in the seasonal range are just slightly above that, actually. 21's the seasonal average for Kingston, so we're 2 notches above that for high. Brockville had the same. Smiths Falls at 24 in Ottawa. Belleville had 23, 24 for Peterborough and Oshawa, and a 25 in Toronto today. But it felt about 5 degrees warmer. It feels like 4 or 5 degrees warmer in here. I think the AC stopped running. South-southwest winds at about 17 kilometers per hour reported at the top of the hour. 88% relative humidity, and that's why you're seeing that 5 or 6 point spread between the temperature and just how how warm it feels. 52 millimeters of rain as a result of those heavy showers we had through the overnight and early morning. And it's not over. Even though it may look like that as you look out your window, we got a bit of blue sky there. This will continue to push through. And the reason we're not getting rid of the probability entirely is because there's still more troughing in behind this. We have a couple lows along the leading edge of this cold front. They're sort of reinforcing that. High pressure does want to move in, and it does want to clear things up. Friday looks pretty decent. And your Saturday not bad either. However, keeping our eyes on a low in the west. And we may see development again of active weather before the weekend's over. So enjoy the first half. That high pressure bound to give you lots of sunshine. How's Larry doing? Well, he's on his way to Newfoundland, folks. Thanks to a Bermuda high in the Atlantic, it's sort of causing this low to sort of stay away from land until it gets up here into Atlantic Canada. By the time it makes landfall, early Saturday morning, sort of like overnight Friday, it's going to go from Category 2 down to Category 1, and then just a post-tropical low pressure system, a subtropical low pressure system, all within like a few hours. It's just going to lose steam. Once it moves on beyond that, heads off to Greenland and eventually Iceland, it's just going to be a low. You know, still fairly strong though. Keep in mind too that even though we're saying, oh, Category 1 dropping off to subtropical, still a lot of strength there. You're still looking at winds in excess of 100 kilometers per hour and gusts up to what, 120, 130 at times. We are looking at, for us it's not a big deal, but for us right now, this is why we're not ruling out that probability of precipitation this evening. We see some clearing for a while, but look at that, what we call sort of popcorn showers. So it's like these little bits all over the place. Not everybody getting them, but it seems to be fairly widespread as far as how far these little bits are scattered about. And this is why we're still hanging on to about that 60% probability of showers through the day tomorrow. But your Friday looking really good. Right into Friday evening, we start to see like a 20% probability of showers. But other than that, it's looking really nice for your Friday and into your Saturday. As temperatures creep back up, Belleville, we have a high of 24 by Saturday, 22 tomorrow, and a good 60% chance of showers. Brockville, you've got that 60% chance of showers lingering tomorrow. Everybody looking at fog overnight, too. I want to mention that will dissipate in the morning. Friday, it's a mix of sun and cloud, a high 20. You bump up to 24 on Saturday with mainly sunny conditions. Smiths Falls, about a 60% chance of showers for you tomorrow. Friday and Saturday looking much better as temperatures creep back up to a 24 on Saturday. And for Kingston, your 5-day forecast, a high 22. Chance of showers, risk of thunderstorms this evening. That should end overnight. And then redevelop a 60% probability tomorrow with a high 22. Friday, it's a high 21, mix of sun and cloud, mainly sunny Saturday, and a high 23. We hit 23 again for a high on Sunday, and back into a 60% chance of showers or light rain. Monday, though, you're into a mix of sun and cloud, no rain, a high of 22. Now your weather wallpaper.
This weather wallpaper is brought to you by Pam's Flower Garden. Flowers and tropical plants by Pam since 1962, with same-day delivery.
This one comes from Willie Harpel of Kingston. Yeah, we had a water spout on the water. This picture, Willie got this picture of the water spout this afternoon from his balcony in his apartment building on Gore Street. No zoom lens.
Like a front row seat.
Yes, exactly. I don't know if you heard that, but Bill Hutchins in the background, he's off mic, he said a front row seat, and I couldn't put it any clearer than that. That's exactly what Willie had. Great picture, Will. Thanks a lot for sending it in. If you've got photos, send them like Willie did, and we'll put them on the air. Submissions at ckwstv.com.
You know, throughout the summer, Bill, we've seen Environment Canada issue water spout warnings quite frequently, but rarely do they actually touch down, right?
Yeah, you very seldom see them touch down. You very seldom see them move into land either. By the time they get that close to shore, they peter out and disappear. Occasionally, they will make it on a land, and if they survive, they can strengthen and go from water spout status to tornado status, which can be dangerous.
When you do see a water spout warning issued by Environment Canada, there's a reason right there to get off the water.
Yes,
right.
Indeed.
All right, thank you, Bill. We'll find out what's in the long-range forecast coming up a little later.
You're watching CKWS News at 11 on Global Kingston.
Chance of showers and thunderstorms will be fleeting. We'll see it moving out. We did a bit of a soaker last night, and it's now moving out. High pressure wants to come in. We're still looking at a probability of showers anywhere from 40 to 60% probability tomorrow, all because you're getting some troughing here and behind this in the wake of the system, reinforced by a couple lows that are moving up along the coast. High pressure moving in, though, and as it does, it tries to clear things up for us. We will get either mainly sunny or a mix of sun and cloud for Friday. And our friends in Newfoundland by Friday overnight, Saturday morning, they're going to be hit with a Category 1 hurricane. Yeah, Larry's on his way. Hasn't really made landfall or bothered anybody up till now. Maritime's getting some strong winds tomorrow as a result of this, but it shouldn't be a big issue for them. Just some strong winds for Newfoundland. This could be a big deal. This might be one of those moments in history as we see it make landfall with at least Category 1. 22 degrees and for a high tomorrow, Belleville, and that chance of showers hangs on at 60%. Friday, though, you're back to high 21, mainly sunny, and Saturday mainly sunny, a high 24. Brockville, you've got a 60% chance of showers or light rain tomorrow as well, with southwest winds up to 40. I think everybody looking at fog patches tonight. That should dissipate in the morning. Friday, high 20, mix of sun and cloud, and mainly sunny Saturday with a high of 24. Those temperatures dip a little Friday, but then you're back up to above seasonal Saturday. Smiths Falls, you'll be up to 24 on Saturday too. A high 22 tomorrow, and you'll have to contend with that 60% chance of showers or light rain as well. Kingston, your long-range forecast, a high 23. You've got a 60% chance of showers and thunderstorms tomorrow. Friday, mix of sun and cloud, a high 21, rising to 23 Saturday with a mix of sun and cloud. Sunday, 23, a chance of showers again. Monday, it's a mix of sun and cloud, and the chance of showers returning Tuesday afternoon and continues Wednesday with some light rain.